Step into the heart of the Sahara and you'll discover the enchanting world of Algerian nomad tent kitchens. Here, cooking is not just a necessity, it's a living tradition passed down through generations. These mobile kitchens are ingeniously simple, often centering around a low fire pit dug into the sand and fueled by dried wood or camel dung. Heavy cast iron pots and flat stones serve as essential tools. One classic technique is baking bread, known as kesra or agrum, directly in the hot sand. The dough is buried and covered with embers, resulting in a rustic, smoky loaf that perfectly complements every meal. For hearty dishes, nomads prepare chorba, a fragrant lamb and vegetable soup simmered slowly over open flames, ideal for warming up during chilly desert nights. Another beloved dish is machui, where whole lamb is spit roasted over glowing coals, yielding tender, flavorful meat infused with smoky aromas. Tea making is also an art form. Green tea is brewed strong, poured from a height to create froth, and sweetened with wild desert herbs, offering a refreshing and soothing drink. These time-honored methods and dishes embody the resourcefulness, culture, and rich heritage of Algeria's nomadic peoples, connecting them deeply to their environment and traditions.